Very good morning, children. कैसे हैं आप सभी बेटा? I hope you all are fine and you all are working hard toward your studies. So I hope you all are preparing for your term 2. So welcome to the psychology classroom, children. Firstly, I should provide you the details. I can see you are able to see here date. So the date is 25/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. So I just hope the details are properly visible to you. Okay. We are doing the revision, children. Today I am going to start a new chapter with you. As I had done the revision of the chapter Human Development, which belonged to the term 2nd. Now the next part or the next chapter related to the term 2 is sensation, attention and perceptual processes. Where today I am going to discuss with you about attention. Attention. Attention is a psychological phenomenon. We always say, or I can say that we always use this word, be alert, be attentive. So these are the some words which we always use. Be alert, be attentive. Okay? Attention. Attention, what do you understand by attention? To which concept you usually call it attention? किसे आप attention कहेंगे? किस word के लिए आप attention use करेंगे? So basically attention basically means focusing on one stimulus out of many stimulus. Focusing on one stimulus out of many stimulus is attention. We can define the attention like this also. अगर बहुत stimulus हैं और उन stimulus में से we are focusing only on one stimulus, so we can say that it is an attention. Attention has three main characteristics also. One is alertness, second is focus, and third is search. These are the three main characteristics of attention. These are the three main characteristics of attention: alertness, focus or search. Alertness. How you will define the alertness? So, alertness is related to the arousal. Arousal means awareness. Basically, alertness means your mind is very much active to attend any stimulus. That is alertness. One of the example of alertness, the racer who is participating in a race, and that racer on his starting point is very much alert that when the gun will shot, I have to run. So he is, or they are very much alert toward the shot of the gun. That is alertness. So this is also one of the characteristics of attention. Second is focus. Focus means something which is related to the vigilance. Sustain attention. Maintaining your attention on anything for a longer period of time. Focus. That is a focus. This is also one of the characteristics of attention. And the third important characteristics of attention is search. Search means choosing or selecting one stimulus out of many stimulus. That is known as search. Focus is somewhere related to the concentration also. Okay? It is somewhere related to the word concentration. Now, what is search? The teacher out of the class of 50 students had to select one student who is very good in painting. So teacher is choosing, searching for that candidate, searching for that student, which is also one of the part of attention. So these are the three main characteristics of an attention. Now this word attention, there are different type and different kind of attention. Let's study about it. Broadly, the attention is divided into two parts. One is selective attention. Second is sustained attention. Selective attention, sustained attention. Apart from this, there are other part of attention also, that is span of attention. Fourth, divided attention. Span of attention, then divided attention. So selective attention, sustained attention, span of attention and divided attention. Mainly these are the two type of attention, selective and sustained. These two are also the type of attention. Span of attention, divided attention. We are going to discuss about that one also. Firstly, you note down. So I hope you all have noted it down. So let's discuss. attention type is very much indicated from its name itself, selective. Means choosing one stimulus out of many stimulus or attending one stimuli out of many stimuli. That is a selective attention. अगर बहुत सारे स्टिमुलाई हैं और उनमें से सिर्फ हम एक ही स्टिमुलाई को अटेंड कर रहे हैं, so that is selective attention. Okay, selective attention means focusing on one stimulus out of many stimuli. See, there are so many factors which are determining this selective attention. Obviously, there are some reasons why we do such kind of thing. क्यों हम selective attention करते हैं? कुछ there can be or there could be so many reasons for it. So we are going to study about it also. Firstly, we discuss what are their meaning and concept. Second is sustained attention. Sustained attention यानी maintaining the attention for a longer period of time. That is sustained attention. Focusing on one stimulus. Selective attention is attending one stimulus out of many stimulus. But sustained attention means focus on one stimulus for a longer period of time. Basically being sustained on that one. एक ही चीज पे sustained रहना, बने रहना. That is sustained attention. The third is span of attention. Span of attention means there are so many things. Means how much stimulus you will be able to attend in a fraction of a second. That is a span of attention. Fraction of second में आप कितने stimulus को attend कर पा रहे हो, that is a span of attention. बहुत सारे स्टिमुलस आपके पास से जा रहे हैं और इन अ सेकेंड आप कितने स्टिमुलस को अटेंड कर पा रहे हो, दैट इज योर स्पैन ऑफ अटेंशन. Somebody's span of attention is very good. They can attend so many stimulus. Somebody's attention span is short. So it varies. Lastly, divided attention. Divided attention means focusing on so many stimulus at one point of time. It is just opposite to the selective, na? In selective we focus on only one stimulus, but divided means more than one. Okay, we focus on two stimulus at one point of time. For example, we listen the music, we write down something also. We drive also, and we can talk on the phone also. So divided attention, that is known as divided attention. Understood? So these are the four categories and the types of attention. Selective attention. Focusing on one stimulus, focusing, or you can use the word selecting. ठीक है, selective attention, focusing or selecting stimulus at one point of time. At one point of time. You can use here not focus word ही आप इसमें यूज नहीं करेंगे. Selective attention means attending or choosing one stimulus at one point of time. Attending, choosing, or selecting, any word you can use. Attending, choosing, or selecting. Okay? Choosing one stimulus, only one stimulus at one point of time. Okay, This is selective. Sustained attention. Sustained attention. Focusing on one stimulus. Focusing on one stimulus for longer period of time. For longer period of time. Sustained attention, focusing on one stimulus for longer period of time. Focusing और कह सकते हैं maintaining the attention on only one stimulus. किसी भी stimulus में हम attention maintain कर रहे हैं लंबे समय के लिए for a longer period of time. Is it clear? Selective and sustained. Okay. I hope you all have written it down also. Span of attention. What is span of attention? So span of attention means how much stimulus you are able to attend, how much stimulus we are able to attend, how much stimulus we are able to attend in a fraction of second. How much stimulus we are able to attend. Span of attention and how much stimulus we are able to attend in a fraction of second. Next. Divided attention. Divided attention means attending or focusing more than one stimulus, attending or focusing more than one stimulus at one point of time. Attending, focusing more than one stimulus at one point of time. That is divided attention. Okay, is it clear? Please note down this one. Now we are going to understand the factors. What are the factors which affect the selective attention? What are the factors which affect the sustained attention? Firstly, note down these things. Okay, I hope you all have written down. Now let's discuss about the factors. Or you can say that they are the factors also and the determinants also. Factors affecting selective attention. Factors affecting selective attention. कौन से फैक्टर है जो कि सेलेक्टिव अटेंशन को इफेक्ट करते हैं? फर्स्ट, देयर आर सम इंटरनल फैक्टर or there are some external factors. So both two factors are there, internal factor and external factors. There are some internal factor, there are some external factor. दो factor है, there are some internal factors, some are external. Internal factors are those which is inside the person. जो attend कर रहा है the person who is attending, उसकी भी कुछ characteristics हैं due to which the person do the selective or the sustained attention. So internal factors are the person characteristics. Person characteristics. On the other hand, external factors are the stimulus characteristics. Stimulus characteristics. Person's characteristics and stimulus characteristics. Internal factors are the person characteristics and external factors are the stimulus characteristics. Stimulus external जो कि बाहर से है, which is related to the stimulus. Okay. Now, in internal factor also is divided into two parts. One is cognitive factor and second is motivational factor. Cognitive factor and motivational factor. ठीक है? External factors also have some characteristics. So please note down this one. So then we will going to discuss about what are the factors come under this one. So firstly, let's discuss about external factor. Means stimulus characteristics. How the stimulus characteristics determine the selective attention. First, clarity of the stimulus. If the stimulus is clear, so person attention will goes to the there were two kinds of stimulus presented over to you. One is very clear, one is unclear. तो जो clear है उस पे आपका attention ज़्यादा जाएगा. Clarity of the stimulus. Okay. Then moving object. If the object is moving, so it catches your attention in comparison to those who are static at one place. Brightness of the object. Object की brightness level कैसी है? If any object is very bright, very shining, so it catches your attention. When you go to the market, when you go to for a shopping, you can see so many stores over there. But any store which is very lighted, very bright, so it catches your attention. ठीक है? So brightness level, moving object, clarity of the stimulus. There are so many external factors are there. ठीक है? Then, so other external factor can be size of the object, size of the stimulus or object, you can say anything. So size also matter. If anything is in big size, the same way you were walking on the road and you can you come across so many advertisements. Okay, I think you have seen. So obviously the big if any advertisement was done in a they were done in a small paper or अगर big में है तो large object catches your attention. So size also matter. So these are some external factors. Internal factors are there, motivational and cognitive factor. I told you. Motivational factor include like your need determine your attention. If you are hungry, so your attention will directly goes to the restaurant and all. So according to the need also you do the selective attention. So here in this video I had discussed with you children overview of the attention. I hope you understand it. Still, if you have any doubt, you come up with the questions. We can discuss your doubts in the classroom. Okay? Thank you so much, children.